Hi guys! Ipakita nako sa inyo ang room nila no. So kani siya mao na siya ang attic. So ang attic nindot kay siya very spacious din. Spacious siya dayon kanang light diri sa taas kay syempre naaman siya sunroof. Dayon kuan kanang I'll go to the other. So that's the surroundings ani no. So I'll go to the other room. I'm gonna show you because this is a 3 bedrooms including the attic. So this other room, I'm going. Tagal naman. Yeah, I'm going to the other room. I'm gonna show you this room in here. I'm going down muna because it is in the attic. It's higher, of course. So going down in the stairs. We have to be careful because it's a bit steep. And their motif of this house is gray apartment. I mean, it's very nice. They have their own hot tub. So this is the other room with the TV drawer, and of course I like it because it's all white. It's very clean looking, tidy and clean. So there's nothing can beat white color for a house, guys. So and then sit sa lingkod sa takadyot. Sit for a bit, and I'm going now to the next room. So Denise, just stay in there, Denise, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go down later. So this is the next room, guys. See that? Wait, posing. And yeah, it's nice. Another TV. And that's outside. That's what I told you guys, the hot tub. Hot tub. Yeah, very, very hot. Did you like it there, Denise?
Yeah.
Last night?
Yeah.
Very nice. You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we enjoy it, guys. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dennis Maris Journey and push the button for like and share. Thank you for watching Dennis Maris Journey, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.